Now the third thing, okay, so now you've got your start, you've committed to taking a start, you've hired somebody to sit down with you, take a look at your resources, figure out where you want to get to, and figure out the quickest path to doing that. Well, now you got to take action. You've got, if I teach you everything I know, but you don't take action, you're not going to get a paycheck. You're not going to get a result. So one, you need a proven strategy from a mentor who can help you put that into play. So I'm not just going to teach you the strategy, but like I said, I'm going to give you the resources so that when you get to that cliff and it's time to jump, I'm going to go with you, and you're going to know it's safe, because your mind will definitely be your worst enemy and tell you that, you're going to get fear and you're probably not going to take action. And that's where so many people fail. Even if they do all the due diligence, they look for an excuse why they shouldn't do the deal because they're fearful. And so it's very important to have knowledge, but also action. And the best way to get action is to be surrounded with somebody who can vouch for your deal, say, hey, this is going to work, and it's safe, and you're going to get paid, and you're going to make money if you do this deal. So the ironic thing is, I've been doing this, as I mentioned, for around 32 years. And the last 20 of those years, not only have I been doing it myself, but I've been teaching others how to do this. And there's people that have been following me this entire time, and they get all my emails, they watch my webinars, they've never once taken action, and they're still in the same spot. And I think, man, if you would have worked with me 20 years ago, how different would your life look like right now? And so anyway, I'm not criticizing. I know some of you may be the ones who have done that are watching this right now, and I'm not criticizing you. I know it's a big commitment, but this stuff will change your life. And at some point, if you don't take action and pull the trigger, unfortunately, you're not going to be in any different position 5, 10, 20 years from now. So a tip for taking action, once again, just be surrounded by the right people. Have somebody who can underwrite your deal, take a look at it, reassure you that it's going to work, that you did your work right, or also talk you out of doing the wrong deal, because a lot of people, they find things that they think are deals. And just like I said, there's some people that look for a reason not to do a deal. There's other people that try to justify something that isn't a deal and try to convince themselves they want to do it because they're so desperate to get a paycheck. So you need somebody to keep you grounded and make sure that you take action when you should and not take action when you shouldn't. So you have to surround yourself with somebody who can hold your hand through all that. So one of my students, his name is Laurie. He's from, it's another Canadian actually. I do have a lot of American students too, just for the record, and some international ones. But he didn't think he could do any of this stuff. He was a fairly successful entrepreneur in other businesses, had never done a real estate deal. And I remember I had very many long conversations with him about how he could do it. And finally, he let me have a chance to work with him. And now he owns 3 multifamily properties in Eastern Canada. Hey, Mike Wolf here. Today I'm in a place called Bansko, which is in Bulgaria, Eastern Europe. And this is my first time here. I've been traveling around Europe for a couple of months now. And this is, I think, my 7th country so far, and many more to come. But it's all possible because of the passive income I've created through real estate. So if you want to learn how to do this too, make sure you click the link below. We'll have a conversation to see if my Wolf Pack, which is my mentorship program, is right for you.